Hello everyone, and welcome to Kepler version 1.5.6. Let's see what's new. Go to the application settings in your main menu and you will see two new utilities, autosave and auto backup. Enable the autosave and indicate the increment in minutes for CapBuilder to automatically save your file as you go along. We recommend making this increment 10 to 15 minutes. If you enable the auto backup, then CapBuilder will periodically create archived versions of your design that you can restore when needed. Only 3 can be had for any given design, so we recommend an increment of 30 to 60 minutes. To restore from a backup, go to the Open Design menu, select the associated file, and look to the bottom left. Select the desired backup and click Open Backup. Moving on to the Design module, the cabinet labels have been improved. Any new cabinets, be they created in the Design module, copied from an existing products, or created within the bill of materials, will get a unique cabinet number. This cabinet number can be used to match cabinet labels to documents in other modules as well. Access the grid attributes to see a new action called Reorder Cabinet Number. This prompts CapBuilder to rearrange the assigned number variable in spatial order. It does this by taking the first wall in the first room, assigning the counter from left to right for base and tall cabinets, then for wall cabinets. Once this is done, it takes the next wall until all the walls are done in that room. Then it counts cabinets in free space. After which it takes on the next room and repeats the process until all rooms are done. Any non-planned items in the bill of materials are counted at the end like a final room. This ensures that there are no jumps in cabinet numbers that can confuse someone in assembly, installation, or other manufacturing stages. Cabinet part editors have additional anchoring capabilities. Bring in a pocket operation and you will see it can now snap its center to the center of the piece both vertically and horizontally. The same anchoring utilities were brought to hole boring and cock roof operations, giving this editor that much more flexibility. The shape editing menu, found in Pocket, Cabinet Perimeter, User Shape, Profile, and other menus, has had some improvements as well. Snap to Line will now prioritize over Snap to Grid, even if both are turned on. Line segment edits can also now choose where the change is enforced by picking the anchor point. The anchor is colored in, so for example, if I choose to change the angle, the other end moves. But if I switch the anchor to the other endpoint, then the original will move instead. This will be handy when creating custom molding profiles, available as of this update. Go to your catalog and select the molding item like a crown. Click the Molding Shape Editor to create custom profiles. This will affect its appearance in the Design module to get the profile that you need. A new corner drawer box shape has been implemented. Enable it by going to a square corner cabinet and creating drawer boxes in both faces with the same layouts. For example, I will take this cabinet and make 3 drawer box cells with the same heights on each face. I can then select these drawer box attributes and check on Space Corner to join adjacent drawers into one. This will work with any other cabinet that has 2 orthogonal faces. 1.5.6 also brings the ability to price design options separately. Your pricing method or catalog prices set the base price of each cabinet, and the design options calculate the extended price based on whatever pricing structures are assigned. For example, I have a pricing table that sets the base price by the cabinet linear foot. Then I could go to my construction method and say that if I were to make framed cabinets, to add an additional $15 per linear foot for bases and walls, and $20 per linear foot for talls to account for additional face frame work. I could also handle the original linear foot pricing directly in the construction method if need be. Every other global option will have similar potential charges. The drawer box construction charge could be calculated per each drawer box, per square footage of the box subfaces, or per drawer box volume, allowing you to charge differently for different drawer joints. Material assignments can either be a percentage of the associated materials, or the construction method. Hinge and drawer guides can make a flat charge per each drawer guide pair, or a percentage of the associated hardware material cost. Finishes can be assigned a flat rate per each door and drawer front, per linear footage, or per square footage of cabinet faces. Each knob, bar pull, and leg can add a flat rate per cabinet, per door or drawer front, or per each piece. You can see the results in the customer report. The first table will as always be the sum of all the charges calculated for the total price of the design. The subsequent pages will go into the details of each design group, what has been assigned, and how much each portion adds to the pricing. This is followed by a cabinet by cabinet listing showing the base price, be that your pricing method calculation or catalog and fixed prices, and the extended price that adds on the design options upcharges. Then a subtotal table for that design group. The final new feature we will discuss in this video is the expansion of auto-labeling capabilities in certain CNCs, as well as further development in post-processor capabilities, such as relative positioning. This more flexible system enables CapBuilder CNC processing to host more niche machine setups and reduces the development time for such posts. As always, you can view our release notes on our website at capbuildersoftware.com/release notes for a full list of changes. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.